So now we're gonna learn about new words. We're gonna learn new words just like that. To do that, I like to put all the words into the same topic, a semantic field for your memory to work better with that. Like if you remember one of those words, probably it's gonna go like a thread, and then you're gonna remember the other word and the other word. So today the topic is movies. Do you like the movies?
Horror movies, yeah.
Horror movies, perfect. Let's begin with that. Do you know how to say movie?
No idea.
Do you know how to say it in Tagalog, maybe?
Yeah, película.
We got it there. We got it there.
Oh, it's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Okay.
Película. Say it
Okay.
again.
Película.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
So we're going to add an adjective to that. As you said, horror movie. We're going to add the adjective horror. And it's close. Película de terror.
Like terror movie.
Horror movie. Yeah.
The terror. So you put the adjective after the noun here.
Always. You can change it to be more poetic or something like that, like a rhetoric figure to put it before. But usually in Spanish, we put the noun and then the adjective.
Right. Wow. Okay. Película.
The opposite as in English. Opposite as in English.
Okay. So you always put they before the adjective, like de terror.
Yeah. De terror in this case, yeah.
Okay.
Not all the time. You don't always need to add de for adjectives. In this case, it is. Right. So, yeah, let's try with another one. Let's say adventure movie. It's how would you think it would be?
You know, a lot of them are like you just put, for example, tura. I'm thinking adventura, maybe. Is that
yeah! Oh my goodness, I'm so proud. Yeah, so, following the logic from horror movie, película de terror, how would you say adventure movie?
Película de adventuro.
Close enough. We don't say aventuras. I'm just overthinking. Aventuras.
Aventuras, okay.
Yeah, aventuras. We don't have the V sound. We never, at least in Mexican Spanish, we don't have the V sound ever.
Right.
Película de aventuras. Oh, sorry, I said it too fast. Película de aventuras.
So it's like the V is like W, a when?
Like what? Sorry?
The V sound for adventure is it like W? Like aventura?
No. When you see a V, that kind of V, it's always like the mid pronunciation between the B and the V.
All right.
Aventuras.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Aventuras.
Close enough. You're gonna get there. Don't worry. Forget about the V. You never pronounce the V.
No V.
Actually, like native speakers from Mexico, we cannot hear the difference between that. Like it took me a while to realize I was doing it wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. So when you go to the movie theater, we have a very simple word for that. It's called cine.
Oh my God, it's the same in Tagalog.
Okay. Oh yes, it's very good for you. Is it the same? Cine? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe this one is different. What about popcorn?
Popcorn. I don't know. I don't know what it is in Tagalog.
Okay, popcorn is palomitas. It's very cute.
Palomitas.
I don't think you have a problem when you pronounce that. Palomitas.
Palomitas, yeah, that's easy. Yeah, because again with Tagalog, the T sounds I learned is not palomitas, it's just palomitas. So I'm used to that now, thankfully. Palomitas, okay.
Palomitas, yeah, perfect. Give it to me again.
Palomitas.
Again?
Palomitas.
Yeah, close enough. We're gonna work on the T's, but later. And that's good for the first lesson. And let's say last one. A movie ticket.
No idea.
We're not That's specific. Do you know how to say maybe a plane ticket
Uh,
or ticket? Just ticket.
I don't know. Tequito, maybe.
Oh, that sounds very good, but it's not. It's different. It's boleto.
Boleto. All right. Boleto.
Boleto. And in this case, we actually pronounce the B. Boleto.
Oh, it's a B. Okay. Boleto.
B. Not forget about the V. V doesn't exist in Mexican Spanish. This V, never.
Okay.
So,
Boleto. Perfect.
how do you say, again, how do you say popcorn?
Palomitas.
Yay! It's plural. Movie ticket.
Boleto.
Perfect. And now, the kind of movies you like.
Película de terror.
Yay! I'm so proud. And what about the adventure one?
Película de aventuras.
Yep. Did we see another one?